Thank you, Mr. Olson. If we have titles that are titled husband or wife, we both own it, and the first passes, do you still have to go down to the DMV and have the name taken off, or can you just leave it as it is?
Okay. So people often ask us on a piece of real estate, for example, if we own a piece of real estate and we have the word and or between our names, does it make any difference? And the answer is no. As far as car titles are concerned, whether you have the word and or between your names does make a difference. And so the differences are this, is that if you have the word or between your names, it means that any one of the owners can sell that car with only their signature only. If you're a married couple and you have the word or between your names, it means that when your husband passed away, his interest in the car automatically passed to you. So the good news, Mary, is that the word or was between your names. Your husband, I'm so sorry, has passed away. You could certainly go down to the tag and title office and move that car into your name only. There's nothing that really requires you to do so, but you certainly can easy enough by going down to the tag and title office with the original car title and his death certificate. They'll put it in your name only.
Tom, I have a follow-up on that.
Go ahead.
If you leave it like that, and then when the second person passes and you have a only child, does it automatically go to him, or because you didn't take all those names off, or can he be added when the first person passes?
So we don't want to add your child. We don't want to add your child's name to the car title, because remember that when you're in an accident here in the state of Florida, the person you hurt can sue both the owners and the drivers. So if you put your son's name on there, they could sue him as well. What it means is that if you leave, we've been talking about car titles don't go through probate. If we leave it alone and you passed away now, your son would now go into the tag and title office with your husband's death certificate and your death certificate and your will. If we take your husband's name off the car title and we put it into just your name, then you pass away, he'd go down to the tag and title office with just your death certificate and your will. So it's not a big distinction. Either way, it's going to be easy enough for your child.
Wonderful. So either or is just easier. If it doesn't matter either, as long as he has the paperwork.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, thank you, Mr. Olson.
Mary,
appreciate it.
Mary, I want to suggest one more thing. One thing that I don't know particular as, does your car insurance company care whether your husband's name is still on that title or not? Certainly you've removed him as a driver of that vehicle. I wonder if your car insurance company prefers or would require that his name come off the title or not. I don't know, but I'm going to suggest that you would give them a call and ask them.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, Mary, thank you for calling. We appreciate it.